So now I'm starting over. It looks like I don't want to do that because okay, so in the kitchen, she's not using all of her space for the refrigerator, but this refrigerator we'd have to see if our refrigerator is working here. I'll do a little measuring before I leave, but there's not a whole lot of extra in there. It looks like about the same material for that she has for the counter space or the countertop in here that we had put in ours. Can't see the color all that well the way the light is in here, but if we're in here cooking together, I guess one person work on one side of the sink and the other person on the other side. The sink is nice and deep, and it's got that porcelain look, so you know it's not the stainless steel, which you kind of were shying away from for the sink anyway. So this is nice, and then I've got an updated faucet on there, similar to the one we have at home, in that you know you can pull the faucet part off and use it as a vegetable sprayer or whatever. So that's kind of nice. It's kind of an updated thing. But anyway, that's kind of where we are. If I turn around here, you can see that she has her microwave right there against the far wall. So you'd have the stove here, and of course the hallway, and right there in the pathway is the little microwave on the stand. So I'll do a little measure and see if maybe we can put one where the hood is, like we were talking about earlier. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing off now.